So, but I think that, a part of the street code is that you have very limited contact with law enforcement. Policemen are better now, but they do represent a group that has plagued our community for years, and they still have the power to devastate your life. That one policeman that could drive up out there just could take it the wrong way and put you in a position that years of your life. And so now, and they've over years they've used that power callously. They make frivolous laws, and yet they send people to prison for long periods of time. It's like when crack came. We don't have no boats to go get crack. We don't. We don't have no planes to go to Colombia. They let that stuff come in here, and it's extremely addictive. And so the person that does crack has a problem. But when they arrest him, they treat him as a criminal. And not so much the guy that's selling it, but if just you, the user, is caught with it, they will send you to prison like you're a criminal when all you are is an addict. And I think that's been extremely unfair that they've plagued our community with that. And so I too don't have a great fondness. Now some of my best friends are now police officers, but a part of me still does not maintain social relationships with them. I'm the assistant director at a children's church. I'm the assistant to the director, not assistant to the director, a co-director. My director is the ex-warden from the federal prison. He chose me. He told the pastor that the only way I'll take this position is if Brooks would be my co-director. He didn't know I was an ex-convict. He didn't, but because of my life, and we had served together for more than 10 years before that, and now we've been together 5 or 6 years. But because of this, he now found out I'm ex-con, which is life. Ain't nothing I can do about that. And now he realized, I think they all think it's kind of cute that a warden and an ex-con run the children's church. And we've had no escapes from children's church. Nobody's got away. And then we've also had no problems either. So we both watching both ends there. But because of his position, I don't have a social relationship with him. I don't nobody that represents that side of I just don't. Personally, me, I don't have a problem with him, but I just don't talk to police officers, even in private life, because a police officer is a police officer, 24/7. It is. You can do things, or they can observe situations off duty, and they're still a police officer. So.